Hello, let's play the Netflix puzzled Starstruck Snippets and Currents for August 11th. We'll start with the easy Starstruck called Top 3. What we're doing is in each row, each column, and each colored region, we're placing exactly one star. Stars also can't touch each other, even diagonally. So this formation here eliminates from this guy. This formation here eliminates from here and here. But we don't need that today because we can see that red and gray line up. We need two stars in these two columns, and they're both one's gonna come from gray, one's gonna come from red. So we can't have another star in these columns. That leaves this shape here that gets rid of him. And this one sees the entirety of this L shape through the column or through touching. These two columns kind of do the opposite of what I just did, which is we need two different colors because we have two stars, and I need two different colors for the stars because we can't repeat in the color. So one's going to be orange and one's going to be green, meaning the rest of this green cannot be a star, leaving just blue for this column. And then, green has two places. This and this cannot be a star though, because it would touch this one and it shares a column with that one. There's one left in gray. Two left in red gets rid of these two because it would touch wherever red is. One of these two, so this one is out because it touches this one and shares it. And it actually just touches both. Green is now in this one. Indigo is one of these two, so it gets rid of those. Brown's one of these three. So this one touches what's left in brown. That places a star here, 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 and here. That was that could have been a hard, I think. It used enough of the hard strategies. Maybe I just missed something easier. All right, the hard is called 3 pots. All right, we have 3 pots. All right, this is vertical, so we get rid of those. What else? What are we doing with these pots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 columns. What am I missing about this? If I took this one, it would eliminate all of these, forcing this one to be taken. But I don't really see a reason to worry about that. All right. This one gets rid of a lot of brown. It gets rid of all of these in brown, leaving just these 3, which gets rid of, it gets rid of the column, so it gets rid of what's around it. I'm not seeing any consequence here that I can use. I guess if brown's one of those 3, we're getting rid of all these. Purple will be in one of these 2, getting rid of all these and these 2. So this is out for touching all of orange. This is quite the look ahead. I don't really know what... I guess the rest of this is out. Huh. What do we do about this? Not this. That's not helpful. All right. Is there any kind of like X-wingy logic, maybe? We're not guaranteed to be in any of these walls. We could be all 3 down here. Huh. So if I placed here, it would get rid of these 2. So it gets rid of that and that. All these, I don't know. I can't even find a good what if. Like something like this. These are the strong spots because they force the corresponding other side to be a star. So I don't know which one's good to demonstrate, but maybe this one. I don't know. So this one would get rid of all of these, leaving just this one in yellow. So that would be very forcing. But, I mean, I'm not seeing things break at all. That's out. That's out. This would line up. The gray and the dark orange line up. Huh. Oh, one of these three gets rid of that. I still have no idea. Like, even with all this, doesn't do anything. Brown down to those two. That's out. That sees all of orange. This is out because it sees all of green. Huh. This isn't helpful. I don't know. What are we to do here? Oh, can we do the bottom 4 rows? I might have missed that. Yeah, and that lets us place red. So bottom 4 rows, we need there's 4 regions that are completely beneath it. There's the blue region, there's the dark orange region, there's the purple region, and there's the gray region. So we can't have a star in any other region. So these 2 oranges and all of these reds are out. That places this red. So that's actually where I was experimenting. That's why it wasn't breaking. So purple's one of those. That makes these line up. So I can actually just lock in what I was doing. All right. Brown's on one of these 2. Gets rid of those. So now we have this L shape here. That's out. It sees all of green. This is out for seeing all of purple. So what's our next step here? Oh, this is out too. And so that gives orange just these 2. So that gives us green. This is out, so we're touching all 3 of those. What's the next step? This row is only blue, so the rest of blue is out. Is there a specific... Oh, that's out for touching what's left in purple. Oh, this is down to just these 2, so that's out. That places this one. Is there a column? Yeah, so we got brown only. That's purple, dark orange, blue, orange, and indigo. All right. I wish I'd seen that line up at the bottom earlier. It wouldn't have taken me nearly as long. All right, let's move on to the snippets. It's called scoops. Ice cream scoop. All right. So we know the cone's down here, so we need to limit our browns to down here. So we do this 4, we do this 3, this 2, and this 3. That should do the trick. Now the rest of the ice cream is all the same color, so we can't use that trick. 3 has to go this way, 2 goes this way. Who takes this one? I think only this 2 can take that one. There's no other option. And so now this is taken by that 2. This is taken by that 2. This is taken by the 3. This 3 has to go up. That's the 2. This is 4. 2 goes up, 3 goes left. Oh, not necessarily the 2 going up, but this 3 had to go left. This 3 could go either way. Well, I see a way to finish it. All right. Yummy ice cream with mint on top, I guess. All right. And finally, we're going to do currents. It's called sunrise. Right, I'm gonna see if this is viable today. So I've been talking a lot about the logic, but honestly, this is so small. Like you just have to use every cell. So there wasn't a whole lot of reason to pull out the pen tool on that one. 6 seconds. All right, that's it. How'd you do?